Okay, this is going to be easy. It's just going to take some time, but we're going to download QGIS for our course. The current version right now is QGIS 3.6.2. The long-term repository or the long-term release is QGIS 3.4.7. We're going to go ahead and just do the most recent one, the 3.6.2. So here I'm at QGIS.org, and when you go to the QGIS site, you can click on download QGIS, or you can go to this en site for users download.html. But again, the basic QGIS.org site has a download now button that you can use. There are a lot of different ways in which you can get to the package, but what we're going to do is just click on the OSGeo 4W network installer for the 64-bit version. Now, ordinarily, I work alongside with you, and things are happening with me at the same time they're happening with you. Except in this case, the screen recording device prevents the installation of software. So I actually created a PowerPoint, so I'm going to just step you through the slides. And again, it's going to be pretty easy to do. Once you install it and run the executable, it's going to ask you what you want to do. There's a Express Web GIS install, Advanced install, or Express Desktop install. I want you to select that. So when you click Express Desktop Install, the next thing, and this is most important, is what packages do you want? I'd like us to include QGIS, GDAL, and GRASS. You don't need anything else for this class. So just choose these three and then hit Next again. And now what's going to happen is things are going to get downloaded, and then you'll go through hitting the Next button to actually install the software. And QGIS is a couple of gigabytes in size, so the installation process is going to take a long time, not 3 to 4 minutes, not 5 to 7. It will probably take over 10 minutes to install. Good time to get a cup of coffee. But once you go through this, then you're done. We have QGIS on our computer, and we can fire it up and start working.